everyone, today we are looking at how to find the equation of a graph when it is reflected in y-axis and x-axis. Let's look at reflecting in y-axis first. If we have a point A with the coordinates 1 and 2, the image of A in y-axis will be I dash. I dash we have a coordinates -1. And 2. A and A dash have same value of y, which is 2. How about value of x? X coordinate of A is 1 and x coordinate of A dash is -1. So we can see the same value of y, which is 2, and opposite value of x, which are 1 and -1 for A and A dash. Look at point B. B has coordinates 3 and 4. X is 3 and y is 4. So the image of B in y-axis is -3, -3, and 4. Again, we have the same value of y and opposite value of x. So if you apply the same approach, when you write the equation of a graph, when it is reflected in y-axis, you simply just replace x with -x, because again, same value of y, we have opposite value of x. Now look at those examples. Example 1. Write equation of y equals x plus 2 when it is reflected in y. The rule is replace x with -x. Then we have x here. I put it in bracket. Okay, so you know that you have to replace x with -x. Here we write this answer should be y equal x will be replaced by -x, and the rest we keep the same. Simplify y equal -x plus 1. So if you pay a little bit attention here, you realize this equation y equal x plus 1, actually it is the equation of the line passing A and B. And the equation y equal -x plus 1 is equation of the line passing A dash and B dash, which is this one. Okay? Then you see the y, we bring it up the opposite value of x and same value of y. Now look at example 2. Why do I bring up the quadratic equation? Because it's important part of the standard. And you remember this x had to be replaced with -x. And again, put the x in the bracket. So you can think that way. And you never make mistakes. And we rewrite it. Y equal x will be replaced with -x. Then it's with -x, all of it, square plus 4, and times with -x. Then take away 2. Then you got to simplify it. Simplify it. So minus x all of it square will be x squared. 4 times minus x will be negative 4x and take away 2. That is our answer. Put this one so you know that is our answer. Example 3, I think you can do it right now, but just to be sure that it's negative here. Negative sign here belongs to 2. And again, remember to put x here in a bracket. Okay? So you write again, y will be equal, replace x with negative x. Minus 2, keep it times, x will be replaced by negative x. Is that simple? Plus 5 times x will be substitute with minus x and plus 8. Then again you have to simplify it. Negative x all in the square will be x squared. So we have minus 2x squared, take away 5x and then plus 8. The rule applies for every kind of equation. Quadratic, linear equation or exponential equation, the same. You just have to make sure you substitute it correctly. And to be able to do that, whenever you see x, you put it in the bracket for me. And you write it again. Y equals, squared up. 3 times 2 and x will become negative x. And then take away 2. Then simplify it, we have y equal 3 negative 2x, take away 1. And it is our answer. I will write here again so you can see it clearly. And I square it up. Okay. How about reflecting in x-axis? Let's do it together. It will be a little bit different, but we still use A and B, point A and point B. Clear it up first, so we use the same example. I will click this part. That's less confusing for you. Okay, and now reflecting in x. And move on to number 2, reflecting in x-axis. So there's a point A has coordinates 1 and 2. The image of A in x will be A dash, is here. So what is coordinates of A dash? At first, you see that it has same value of x, which is 1. And how about the value of y? Y coordinates of A is 2. Y coordinates of A dash is minus 2. It's minus 2. Okay, now you see A and A dash has same value of x, opposite value of y. Look at point B. How about B? Image of B in x. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is B dash. It has same value of x, which is 3. And value of y, it is opposite. So y coordinate of b dash is -4. A and a dash have same value of x, opposite value of y. So same value of x, opposite value of y. Similarly, b and b dash had the same value of x, opposite value of y. So when you write an equation of a graph reflected in x, you have to change the sign of the whole equation. Okay? Then it's not reflect anything, it's change the sign of the equation. Change the sign of the equation. So it means you put the negative sign in front of y. Now we look at this example one first. So you see the right means and change the sign of the equation. We have y equal x plus 1. Okay, now I don't need the bracket anymore. You change the sign to be y equal negative, whatever you have here, plus 1. You can simplify it, so it becomes y equal negative x take away 1. And it's actually the line crossing b, a dash and b dash. That is the thing. Okay. Example 2, now again you don't need the bracket, so I just remove it. But you need to put the negative sign in front of the equation. Y equal negative, everything you put in the bracket x squared plus 4x take away 2. And to simplify it, all the time I remind you about simplifying. You will have y equal negative x squared, take away 4x plus 2, and it is our answer. Again, with example 3, put the negative sign or change the sign of the whole equation. Y, everything in bracket and put the negative sign. That's a change the sign. Minus 2x squared plus 5x plus 8. Simplified, you will have negative become positive, so the 2x squared, take away 5x, and take away 8. And this is your answer. Last one with exponential. You rewrite it, put the negative side in front of everything, then you have 3 2x plus 1. And actually, it is your answer. So this here and x-axis. Okay, that's now you know how to write the equation of a graph when it is reflected in y-axis and x-axis. I hope you find this lesson useful. Thank you.